Hiya, it's that time again where I've got another Feelook Art unboxing. I'll help if I put it around the right way. So this is this month's one. It's kind of like a stained glass themed. They were all really, really gorgeous. It was a hard time choosing which one to unbox for you. So, as usual, the boxes are very sturdy. Got information on the back of actually how to do diamond art if you're new to it. And again, everything's really super shiny. So it comes in a plastic film. So I'm just going to take this off. See how shiny it is still? It wasn't just the plastic making it look shiny. Like everything about this is like glittery or shiny and sparkly. So it's got on the side which one this is, but I'd leave it for a surprise until I actually unroll it, or until you see inside. Okay. So as usual, everything's coming wrapped up in this. And okay, so here it is. It's here. So you can't really see this one, but you'll see it when I show you in a sec. So like I say, they're all kind of stained glass themed, and I chose this butterfly one because it was really nice. It looked like it's got some really nice colours in it, and the last few I've chose have been kind of dark, so I thought I'd go for something lighter. So this is the sticker sheet. So this one has 35 colours. You can use this to put on your little baggies when you bag up the drills. And on this it's got the number which is associated with it, the symbol, and the actual colour number. Do you know, like the DC, like, what is that called? Do you know, like when you cross stitch and then like they've got the thread colour? I think it's like the same as that. I think it goes by the same chart as that. So you've got that, and then you've also got some just plain numbers over here, which I think is just excess, so they aren't actually needed. But yeah, so it's got 36 colours and they're all there. And then as usual, you also have this. So this is just a little card that tells you how to do it, little tips and stuff, and then you can write on the back start date and complete date. Okay, so now let's open this. Okay, cool. Oh wow, the colours are really popping. Oh, this looks so nice already. So there you go, this is a giant butterfly one. You know it's going to be a good one when the colours already look really good and it looks good before the diamonds are even on it, or the drills are even on it. So, yeah. This is going to be another one I'm going to enjoy doing. And another thing I do like is like it's not whole massive sections of just one colour, and I get bored doing those. I know you can have like a multi-place tool and stuff, but even with those it just seems to take a really, really long time. I'm one of these people, I think I'm a rare person, I like to do the confetti more than big blocks of colour. You know, these aren't really like loads of confetti because it's got fairly a lot in one area. It's not like all scattered, but it's not like whole blocky as well, except maybe just this outline is quite a bit of black, but even then it's not too bad. Okay, so I think I'll start off with the toolkit. That always comes with it. I think that would be nice though with like every diamond set, not just these, but everyone that does them, maybe have the toolkit as optional, because you end up with a lot of styluses and or whatever they're called, the pen things, and trays and stuff. So that'd be a good option to have like without, or maybe just the baggies or something. But I suppose that would be tricky to do. So you get the fillable pen, which you just twist to make the wax come out, so you don't have to keep going to like a little square bit of wax. So these are really nice to use. And then you get 2 trays with the nozzles, and then you get the baggies, tweezers, and more baggies, and then the spare wax as well for the pen. But that's the thing, the wax actually lasts really long in these. I haven't had to replace it yet, my other one. And then there's more stickers if you'd rather use like these stickers to put on the bags, so the numbers are actually bigger. You could put both on, but the other ones with the logos, the symbols and stuff on it are actually, I find, really helpful. So I think those are usually purple in my other ones, so it's nice to get a different colour. So that is the toolkit. Let's look at the drills. So these are, they're not acrylic, they're resin drills. And I think these ones have a special one in it. And I'm going to try and see if I can find it. Because I haven't used like any special colours or anything before, I'm not entirely sure what I'm looking for. Oh, never mind. I found already. I don't know if it will pick up though. I may have to take a picture of it or something, because these are, I think they were called Aurora ones. But it's kind of like got an iridescent shine to them, so kind of like rainbowy. I'm not sure if that's coming up. I might have to take a picture. And I'll add it here if I need to. But yeah, these are, oh, they're so nice. I think this one has only one colour of them, where it's like iridescent-y. Some of the other ones, they have a few more of the special ones, colours. That all says what you get in the description, if there's any special special drills or special colours in the descriptions of these when you buy them. So that's all that information is on the website if you're interested in which ones actually do have special drills. But all the colours look really nice. Like I say, this is a lot more bright one than I'm used to doing, because quite a lot of the ones, even the past ones that haven't been Feelook, I've always chosen dark ones just because it's the style I like. So it would be nice working on something a bit brighter, and I really can't wait to see it finished because it does look gorgeous. So yeah, that's this one. And there are multiple ones in this range where it's kind of, I say it's like a stained glass effect, which I'm into that style anyway. Done on my own art pieces, that stained glass effect. So check those out. The deals that I've got at the moment will be in the description, and also I've got a code in the description where you get 10% off. And also my affiliate links down there if you want to go through that. That won't cost you any more to buy anything through my affiliate link. I just get a tiny little bit of commission on it. Yeah, but my code is 10% off even if you don't go through my link. If you just go straight to their website, you can still get 10% off. So yeah, like I said this in the last one, I can't wait to start this one. And the last one, I did actually start it and I have finished it. So I'll put a clip of that right at the end. Well, actually right now, because I've finished now. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned to see the finished ones that I done last time. And I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye.
makeup casual.